Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an equation to your Explain Everything project. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Explain Everything app, then go to the home page where you can choose one of your projects where you want to add the equation. And when you open your project, you just have to go to the toolbar, which is on the left side of the screen, and tap on the add new, insert new elements, which is the first one on the list. And the insert new tab, you should swipe to the right and you will find the equation icon, which is before the last one on the list. And when you tap on it here, it's going to open up the equation tab where you can add any kind of different equation elements to your project, so you can solve them with your students. If you choose this tab, you can use all these mathematical elements, or you can go back here to use your general keyboard. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.